Hello, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you a little trick I figured out a long time ago. Back in the day, 144 scale airplanes didn't have engines, they just had this little face with a hole in it, which I always thought looked like crap. So I came up with an idea on how to make your own little engine out of silly putty and super glue. So, take your little engine that is your master, so to speak. Take it and you push it into the silly putty. Pull it out. Silly putty, pull it out. Alright. Set it down. Get your super glue out. And fill it up. Like so. You get it all the way around, get the bubbles out. All the bubbles out. Oh, it kind of kicked on me fast. Alright, that's okay. It'll still give you an idea what it'll look like. Make sure it's completely kicked. Alright, wipe this off. Alright, pull it up and take it out. As you pull it out, it should pop right out. Just like that. Instant little tiny engine. Now all you got to do is paint it. Thanks for checking it out.